Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about free Google Ads fraud protection. Built for leading Google Ads professionals. ClickGUARD is designed for data-driven PPC professionals who seek to understand, control, and be fully accountable for every click on their Google Ads accounts. We help elite PPC professionals gain every possible advantage needed to dominate their markets. Google Search Campaigns. With 1.5 billion searches per day, Google Search offers unbeatable opportunities to all kinds of businesses. Because of this, search ads are constantly under attack by various malicious sources, competitors, click farms, bot networks, scrapers, and more. ClickGUARD protects and optimizes your search campaigns in the following formats: expanded text ads, dynamic search ads, responsive search ads, and click fraud, plus much more on autopilot. Direct your effort to where it truly matters. Let ClickGUARD monitor your Google Ads campaigns and stop click fraud from depleting your budget. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGUARD analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGUARD and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.